Castor Oil Benefits, from skin care to pain relief. Castor Oil Benefits, from skin care to pain relief. Are you tired of spending hundreds of dollars on skincare products that promise the world but deliver little? Or maybe you're looking for a natural remedy for that nagging joint pain? Well, today we're diving into a single, natural solution that might just transform your routine: castor oil. Stay tuned to discover its powerful benefits for both your skin and pain relief. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only and is no substitute for professional health advice. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health content. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for centuries for its amazing health benefits. This thick, viscous oil is packed with nutrients and offers a plethora of uses, from deeply moisturizing your skin to easing joint and muscle pain. Applying castor oil on her hand, rubbing it in. But what makes castor oil so special? And how can you incorporate it into your daily routine to maximize its benefits? Let's break it down. Imagine battling dry, flaky skin every winter, or struggling with persistent acne that just won't go away. And what about those of us dealing with joint pain, muscle soreness, or menstrual cramps? These issues can be incredibly frustrating, affecting our daily lives and overall well-being. Many of us turn to expensive creams, medications, or invasive treatments, only to find temporary relief. But what if I told you that castor oil, a simple, natural product, could address all these problems effectively? Let's start with skincare. Castor oil is a powerhouse moisturizer thanks to its high ricinoleic acid content. It's perfect for hydrating dry skin and can even help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Applying a small amount of castor oil mixed with a carrier oil to her face, gently massaging it in. For acne, its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties can help clear up breakouts and prevent future ones. Just apply a thin layer to problem areas before bed, and let it work its magic overnight. Step-by-step guide on creating a castor oil pack for pain relief. Now, for pain relief. A castor oil pack can do wonders for joint and muscle pain. Simply soak a cloth in castor oil, place it on the affected area, cover it with plastic wrap, and apply a heating pad for 30 to 60 minutes. This helps reduce inflammation and promotes healing. And for menstrual cramps, applying a castor oil pack to your abdomen can significantly ease discomfort by improving blood flow and reducing muscle tension. So there you have it, a simple, natural solution to a variety of common issues. Whether you're looking to improve your skin's health or find relief from pain, castor oil could be the answer you've been searching for. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more natural health tips and remedies. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.